Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to use multiple Roblox account at the same time on mobile. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Roblox application. You can see over here Roblox application has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time, what you have to do is simply add new account. For that, what you have to do is tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down to the bottom. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for switch accounts and log out. Simply tap on the option switch accounts. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add new account. Tap on the option add account. Now you'll be able to find two options, log into existing account, create new account. If you need to create new account, tap on the option create new account. But if you want to log into existing account, simply tap on the option log into existing account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. What you have to do is enter your username or email or phone and password over here. So simply enter your username or email or phone and password. After doing that, tap on the sign in option and you'll be signed into your account. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into another account. So you can simply switch between these accounts and use the multiple accounts at the same time. So that is how you use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.